Hi, welcome to The Natural Garden.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Anna. Here at TNG, we like to be thoughtful and intentional about your home garden.
We are very careful to plant only native plants in our landscaping because we want to attract pollinators like butterflies and because we want to encourage living landscapes here in the Shenandoah Valley.
Did you know that actually from mid-September to early November is the perfect time to plant and plan for your spring garden next year?
We have for you 4 reasons why that is the case. So the first one is when plants are transplanted into a new location, it's rather stressful on them generally, and that is less so when you plant in the fall. When you plant in the fall, your plants are going into dormancy or starting to move in that direction. So what that means is the top part of the plant, the foliage, etc., is going to stop growing, and the root system is going to be growing a lot more rapidly and working on storing energy for the spring.
And in that same line of thinking, when you're planting in the fall, the soil is still going to be warm from the summer months, and therefore the roots are going to have the ideal environment to continue to grow and develop the root systems until the first freeze, which means that your plants are going to be a lot more rooted and ready to produce new foliage and new blooms next year.
It's also good planting in the fall because as your plants are rooting out and doing all of those wonderful things with their roots, they will have less competition from weeds.
And lastly, planting in the fall reduces the amount of water that you need to give them. Autumn provides the perfect environment with cooler nights and morning dew to reduce the amount of moisture loss and help them recover a lot quicker.
So you have to do less work is what we're saying.
Exactly.
If you are interested in any of the landscaping services that the Natural Garden provides or in purchasing a habitat pack from us, you can find that information or contact us at thenaturalgarden.net. That link will be available as well in the video description.
And then if you're also interested in purchasing a shrub or tree or any one of our many quartz that we sell for your own home gardening purposes, you can come visit us at the Friendly City Co-op. We have a display set up there, or at Harrisonburg, Virginia's Farmers Market every Saturday this October from 8 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you liked and want to subscribe. Happy planting!